Yesterday we were learning how to represent numbers to 50 on a part whole diagram by putting the tens in one part and the ones in the other part. I'm going to talk you through some of the worksheet questions I want you to work through today. If you need to, you can go back and watch yesterday's lesson to help you remember what to do. Number 1 says, complete the part whole model for each picture. So here you've got a number represented by base 10. You know it's 31 already because that's in the whole. You need to draw sticks and stones to represent the tens and the ones. You could even have a go at writing the numbers like we practiced yesterday. This time the number is represented on tens frames. What I want you to do first for this one is to fill the parts first. See how many tens you have and fill in your part. See how many ones you have and fill in your other part using sticks and stones to start with. Count on from 10 to find your whole number, and then you can draw your own part whole underneath, but instead of having sticks and stones in the two parts, you can use the numbers. Okay, we have another one with base 10. Again, I would like you to fill in the parts first. So with sticks and stones, put your tens in one part, your ones in the other part. Count on from 10 to find your whole number and fill in the whole number. Then underneath, or on another piece of paper if you don't have space, I would like you to do another part whole for this base 10, but use your numbers instead of sticks and stones. Number 2 says make these numbers with counters or with cubes. So you'll have other things at home that you can use, Lego, pasta, maybe you do have some counters, anything small, and you need to make them with tens and with ones. So remember when you make a 10 to group them together, put them in a line so you remember that line represents 10. So you have 16, you have 21 and you have 43. As well as using objects, you can also draw your sticks and stones as well next to it. Number 3 says draw a picture to match each part of the part whole. So what I would like you to do in the box is to draw another part whole, but I would like you to draw your sticks and stones instead of numbers, okay? You have the same here, you have 2 more. Draw your part holes again, but in your part hole, do sticks and stones instead of numbers, remembering that your tens are sticks and your ones are stones. Number 4 says, Mo has filled in this part whole model. What mistake has Mo made? So look really carefully and see what you think, and you can correct. Okay, good luck with all of your maths questions today. If you're still struggling after completing the worksheet, you can continue with the task you did yesterday. So closing your eyes, picking a number on your 50 square and representing it in 3 different ways. First way is making a part whole and drawing on your sticks and your stones and then your whole. Doing another part whole, but instead of doing sticks and stones, writing the numbers, and then have a go at writing the number sentence, starting with the tens and adding on your ones.